Good afternoon, everybody. We are here. It's beautiful outside today, and we got Frank in the chat. Frank, what is going on, Frank? Glad to have you in here, man. Let's check the market out and see what's going on so far today. We have got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting at $5.47. GameStop, top right-hand side of the screen, $24.49. Shiba Inu Coin, it is bouncing back. Oh my goodness, thank you very much. After bottoming out in the morning live stream, Shiba Inu Coin has done a very good job on the 5-minute chart to post nothing but green lines here, and hopefully that holds up. The afternoon bounce was very nice, and now we get a little bit of a a little bit of a red candle coming in here, but hopefully that just bounces right up and everything looks good. Bitcoin following the same pattern. Nice gain all afternoon long off of those morning lows here. Not as heavy as Shiba Inu Coin there, but a gain nonetheless. Now we're going to see if we can maintain those gains into the afternoon. The NASDAQ finishing beautifully higher today, 0.25%. Looking pretty good, especially with that green little candle into the close right there. AMC 547, 24.49 on GameStop, 10.7 cents on Dogecoin. Shiba Inu Coin sitting at 1633 points per coin. Ethereum sitting at $3,000 flat, $2,999.88 at the moment. Bitcoin $56,426. The SPY 555, QQQ 497, Molinado $2.29, Sundial sitting at $1.97, Netflix $6.85, MPW $4.12, Tesla sitting at $2.52. Amazon $1.99 and $2.27 on Apple. Bitcoin. We don't need any green. Dude, it's almost like I come on stream and then it does nothing but go down. So we need some green lines, Bitcoin. Give us those green lines into the afternoon here. Nobody wants red lines. Thank you very much for that green line right there. Let's watch it tick, tick, tick higher into the close. Well, technically the market is closed now. Into the afternoon, and still only Frank in the chat right now. Man, oh man, I don't know if you guys are sleeping. I don't know if it's summertime. I don't know if nobody wants to be here or what. But Frank, glad to have you in here, man. Crikey, it's the infamously elusive afternoon live in my worst Steve Irwin voice. Dude, I can't even do a Steve Irwin voice, so your worst one's probably better than my best one. That's a pretty good view right there. We'll go with this one, though. Oh, my goodness. All right, what do we... I don't even know what we have at the top of the screen. Let's figure this out, and we'll get this stuff. Punk on Wrapped Ethereum. Nah, I don't want Punk on Wrapped Ethereum. Let's go find something that is... that's trending. We'll watch that. It'll be better than Punk, because I don't know anybody that owns Punk. And, therefore, I don't know anybody that cares about Punk. Oh, jeez, dude. Look at this one. I haven't seen that trending anywhere. I don't know. Let's see how Mother's doing. I own Mother, so let's see how it's doing. 34.96. Boy. I can't wait until these tokens bounce back at 35.24 right here. Hopefully bottoming out in this line right here, and hopefully starts to throw some green lines on the screen, as the overall price action has been devastatingly low since the beginning of June, along with the overall market. So following it very, very closely there. Dude, it would be beautiful to get back up to these all-time high areas, a 7x increase from the current levels. That would be very, very nice to see. So we'll watch that and see how that plays out there. Bitcoin actually doing well, bringing Shiba Inu Coin up a little bit at the moment, so hopefully those continue to go up. Kalito! What was this about, a fish tank? Oh, yeah. I have no idea what it was about a fish tank, man. Everybody wants me to clean my fish tank in the afternoon instead of coming here, but here we are. We're here instead of cleaning the fish tank. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on as well? Ambervert, glad to have you in here right now. And a good Solana tokens. I got a bit of dry powder. Tim, man, I don't know. It depends on what you're looking at. The Solana tokens that I got right now, I got some of that Mother and I got some of the Daddy that's out there. One of the things and one of the reasons I'm getting into them is because just sheer marketing potential from Andrew Tate and Iggy Azalea through the roof, man. So I think that these guys are doing a very good job marketing. Their reach is crazy. So I got some Mother, I got some Daddy. But other than that, man, as you can see on the top of the screen, there's a lot of trending tokens that on the Solana network. Water, I'd watch out for that one. I think there was a pre-sale, but it's down pretty heavy right now, maybe bottoming out. This purple Pepe, I've had several people ask about that in the live, and the price is actually looking pretty good on purple Pepe there. So hopefully that price action continues to look good. But yeah, those are the ones. I see a lot of people on X talking about this Giga Chad. It's up 23% today. See a lot of people on X talking about that. It was at the top of the screen as well. But dude, I don't know. These celebrity coins, I'm going to see how they do. And hopefully Daddy and Mother both do very well there. And they actually give each other a little bit of attention as well. Kind of like not hating on each other, but kind of going back and forth. So a little cross-marketing as well. Never hurt anybody. Now let's see. Holy crap, did Clay Bro get electrocuted? Why, is my hair up right now? I did not get electrocuted, but it was really warm outside, and I may have pushed my hair up. I don't know. Darn it, man. Bitcoin had a few good green lines on the screen, and then, boom, two really big red ones. 56,580 down to 56,300, dude. Nearly a $300 drop and two red lines right there. Wild price action out of nowhere too, man. Barely hitting a little level of intraday resistance, man, and just it's crazy. Sometimes, you know, you can see that it takes like a half hour, 45 minutes to like capture some of this territory, and then in 2 minutes, boom, boom, sells it right off. Hopefully in the next 2 minutes it recaptures that. But we'll find out, man. I want the market to stop dipping. I want the market to start going up. We've had enough dips in the crypto space. Retail's nowhere to be found. We need retail to get excited about cryptocurrency again. And retail only gets excited if the price is moving higher. Probably touch the fish tank, pump under... What is happening? Probably touch the fish tank, pump underwater. Probably touch the fish tank, pump underwater. Maybe, but I don't even know what we're talking about at this point. There's only one person who calls me daddy. Tim, if the token goes up, listen, man. I don't know. If the token goes up, I will gladly call Andrew Tate daddy if that token 10x's from the current level. Yeah, easy, man. What's up, Clay, bro? Been a second. Well, Lord willing, if cycle continues, before next month, September, we should see a turn for the better in the market. I feel that $500 donation coming to you. SG Music, thank you very much for that. I do hope that the market goes up. And trust me when I tell you, man, if the market does go up, I'm going to be doing very, very well as well. You do not have to send a $500 super chat. $500 super chat. Or anything like that if things bounce up, man. You can give it to your little brother, do whatever you want with it, but we'll all be doing very, very well all together. It will rise suddenly. Market analyst, I hope that it does, man. Johnny K, sup Clay, sup Johnny K, glad to have you in here. Hopefully what's up? Well, I'm sitting here hoping that the market bounces a little bit instead of giving it back all of the gains that it had over the last half hour. Clibro, Paul Swap coming online soon. Think we get Honorarium? This is set for launch, baby. Let's do it. Let's get Bitcoin down to 50,000 so the common person can grab a bargain. Oh boy, I don't want to see Bitcoin throw one more red line on the screen. I want to see nothing but greens for the rest of my life at this point. Honorarium though. Let's see where Honorarium is at here. Dude, wouldn't it be hilarious if Bitcoin never posted another red candle again? HRM. Honorarium! Dang, man. I think this is low, right? Let's see. Yes! Honorarium. Wow, what the heck candle is this? Oh, look at that, dude. I thought this was a candle. It's my stupid line on the screen. Oh, my gosh. All right, Honorarium. 333 holders, $50,000 market cap, $11,000 in the liquidity pool. Broke down through this level of support right here and is currently sitting, where's it at? It's currently sitting at 5 zeros and a 5. This bad boy was at 3 zeros and a 1, man. Oh my gosh. What is that? It's a 20x increase from the current prices just on the coin market cap listing alone. So yeah, this thing does have a ton of potential. $340 in volume over the last 24 hours, and somehow getting MEV botted. Look at this. There's a bot transaction on here. Came in around this $190 buy. It was a bad MEV bot transaction, but a MEV bot transaction nonetheless. They bought $74.97 worth, and they sold. Oh, you know what? No, they actually sold a little less. That's why. So they kept some honorarium in their portfolio, and they sold $74.72, but they kept about 700,000 honorarium. So not bad at all, man. Basically nothing. They walk away with 700,000 free honorarium. Decent bot action, actually. Let's see. Let's see what this guy owns here. This guy's got 30 tokens. None of which are legitimate. Alright, he's got 200,000 big pump. He's got some boom, DFSS coin, or DSFS coin. Where's his honorarium? I know this guy's got to have 700,000 honorarium. He bought 15.6 and he sold 14.9. Oh, no, that's actually interesting. That was a different address that sold it. What? All right, never mind. This guy came in and bought it. What, transferred it? Because he doesn't own any honorarium. When was this? 2:14. 2 hours ago. It's 8:08. Huh. I don't even know, man. You know what? Maybe he sold it all, but he got hit with the tiny little tax that's on it, and that's why. Maybe he bought it and then sold it when he went to sell it. He got hit with the burn tax and the rest was burned there. That could be what it was, as opposed to why I'm not seeing the full number on that sell right there. Anyway, back to the chat to see what's going on here. I want crypto to go back up so I can go on a cruise with me, myself, and I. No men allowed. Do they make all-girl cruises? I don't know if they do, man. I know they got like singles cruises and stuff like that, but do they have like just girl cruises? I wouldn't know. See, I told you it happened. Market analysts, you know it, man. You know it. Good afternoon to you, Nick F. Glad to have you. An old season on the way. Joshua, I absolutely hope so, man. We've seen nothing but losses for the last month and a half. We need some gains to get started. Clay spending 15 minutes hunting down three. With JB, man, it was weird that the one bot bought it, and then another bot sold it. So he had to have transferred it somewhere, right? But maybe it was a lesser amount because of this transaction tax. That's the best thing that I can come up with. Best red candle I've ever seen. Gave me a buying opportunity, and I didn't think I'd get again on Honorarium. Kalido, man, very, very good. And if you're loading up on that Honorarium dip, hopefully Paul Chain makes it rip higher. Clibro, updated spreadsheet at lunch. For the month of July so far, earned $1,410 on $25,600 worth of contracts, equating to 5.507% earned so far this month. Smokes, man. And a lot of those are on the weekly contracts and not on something that expires at the end of the month. So, Frank, man, very, very nice job, dude. Dude, keep that up, man. You're going to be absolutely killing it. July's going to be the best month ever for you. Meanwhile, what's not having a good month? Shiba Inu Coin and Bitcoin already coming back down a little bit, erasing the gains that we had over the last 2 hours here. And Bitcoin sitting at 56,251. And Shiba Inu Coin here at 1618 points per coin with red lines on the screen. They're technically purple, but red means down, and those are down lines. WLD. COC, boy. Let's check it out. Cruise to Ireland, dial up. I'll sport a skirt and go with you. There you go, Moji. There you go. Bro Peach Boo-Too. Ahoo! Yes, new folk, man. Absolutely. Fartcoin to the moon. If Fartcoin is a thing, Grafton, and you bought it, I hope that it does go to the moon, man. All right. WLD. Let's check out WLD. Oh, Worldcoin. All right. I want to look at Worldcoin over here on CoinMarketCap. All right. Worldcoin is sitting at a $490 million market cap. And the all-time analysis shows that Worldcoin has come down pretty heavy from the $10 price point that it was at, basically back down to this the level that it was introduced at. And it is still off the all-time lows around $1 per coin. Now, I will say this, okay? I do not know how well Worldcoin is going to do. Why? Because take a look at this. The fully diluted market cap is $18 billion. The current market cap is about $500 million. That means that it's 36 times higher. They could dilute the crap out of this coin. So, right now, if they started to introduce all of the tokens, you should not expect this token to even maintain its price. If the market says this token is worth $490 million at the moment, if they introduced 36 times more tokens onto the market, you would be down 99% in price. Just be aware of that. So much dilution can occur with this token that I would be very, very cautious about buying it. However, right, it didn't stop it from 10xing in value during the beginning of 2024. Ran all the way up to $10 a coin, and that is a very nice gain. So I'm not too interested in this one for me to buy personally. I don't like the dilution factor, but a lot of people like it, man. This is the one you get if you're willing to go have your retina scanned. They give you some free Worldcoin for doing so. Kenneth, thank you very much for the super chat. Kenneth says, jazz up, everyone. Any news on the burns? I have got zero news. So the latest that I saw from the ecosystem team on Shiba Inu Coin burns was that Lucy has been talking to, I believe it was Shiba Cows, right? Shiba Cows is the company that makes those hoodies and sells those, I guess, Shiba Inu ecosystem team exclusive hoodies that come with those little RFID chips that you can scan and authenticate your hoodie on the blockchain or whatever. They said that they would be starting burns. I don't know if they will or not, but they said they would be starting to burn Shiba Inu Coin. They've not done so far, but that's the last I've seen from them. Mo, dial up. You trying to invade my island? Yes, they are. Mo, a squat. Oh, I'm coming to squat, Tim. Squat on what, dude? In your house, man. Hey, Clay, can you check the chart for Pepe? Does it look like it's about to pump? Let's check it out, Johnny K. I hope it's about to pump, man. Hopefully it hasn't fallen back down from the 80 million that it was at. Not wild Pepe. Oh my gosh, a wild Pepe's appeared. Let's see what we got. It's doing pretty good. Alright, we're sitting at an $88 million market cap here. Very nice. I'm still in the same position that I would have been in before when we put this line up here. So you've attempted it, pulled back pretty hard. You've attempted it, but you're not necessarily pulling back yet. This is, yeah, a little bit of a retreat here, but it seems as though it's a double attempt, maybe even a triple attempt. So, yeah, dude, I would say this is still a very bullish pattern here. Not falling back hard off of this resistance level, but as the overall market has been getting blasted lately, Pepe still seems to be doing okay, maintaining these levels and maintaining an attempt at resistance as opposed to coming in and attempting support, or all the way down here, support, and so on. So anytime you can attempt resistance as opposed to attempting support, you're doing very good, and that's what I like to see for Pepe right there. So is it about to pump? I'd be much more optimistic of a pump if it breaks that green line at the top of the screen, but until then, at least it's looking strong right now. You know, pitch a 10. And just never leave. I like it, Mo. I like it. My land is bro land. No squatting. I got guest bedrooms there. There you go, Tim. I love it. Lucy lies. You know what? Lucy might lie. So I don't know. We'll have to see if Shiba Cows actually does decide to burn anything. Lucy, when you buy your devs on Alibaba. Oh gosh, man. Probably Timu dev. And Dial Up, thank you very much for the member chat. Dial Up says, please, at least one of my tokens needs to go to the moon. Let me say this, Dial Up. If your tokens don't die out before the retail investors return, they will probably all go to the moon. Okay? You just need to make sure that you're invested, right? So, I don't know if you still have Crow with Knife. I don't know what all tokens you have. But right now, this entire last month has been a very difficult month. And I'm going to keep pointing this out right here because this is a very important chart. If you look at cryptocurrency, man, cryptocurrency back in 2017, retail investors were all over it. You look at cryptocurrency here in 2021, still very, very high interest in crypto. If you look at where we're at right now, we're at an interest level of 4. Now, Google Trend Analytics is a little strange on how they do their stuff. I wish they would just tell you, all right, well, there were 80 million searches for cryptocurrency in January of 2018. I wish they would give you actual numbers. They don't. They give you on a scale of 1 to 100, 100 being the top search volume during that period of time, and of course 0 being no search volume in that period of time. So I kind of look at it almost as percentages. This is the highest level that we have ever seen. We are seeing 4% of the level of interest that we had back in 2017. If you come out to here, we're seeing like 8%. A little less. We're seeing like 6%. The level of interest that we had back in 2021. We are so low in terms of retail investors searching for cryptocurrency that it's insane. When they look at this little blip right here. This was March. This little blip that took us from a level of 6 to a level of 9. This is when SHIB ripped to 4,500 points per coin. This is when all of these little coins and tokens were ripping higher at the beginning of March, and that's just a level of 9 from an interest level of 6. Guys, if it bounces back to here, 44, if it bounces back to 33, even if it bounces back to 14, dude, we're going to see so much stupid money that it's not even going to be funny if you miss out on it. So, yeah, I know that retail investors are going to return. I know that your coins are going to go up. I just don't know if you're going to make it through. A lot of people have given up. And a lot of people are going to miss out. And dude, I don't know. Do we really care if they give up and if they miss out? They'll come back. They're the ones that are going to provide the liquidity on the way up next time. Where is Farmy? Let's find out. Farmy, probably 0. Maybe they're giving Farmy away now. 61 cents on Farmy. 2 days ago, Farmy hit an intraday all-time low of 57 cents per oh my god, dude, 57 cents per share after the reverse splits. Dude, what a trash company. 2021, I owned Farmy. 57 cents. Let's see where it was in 2021. Let's call it this area in here. Where is this? What? Oh my god, dude. $200 a share. Back. Oh my gosh, man. And up here, $500 a share. Down to 50 cents a share. Wow. And the SEC worries about cryptocurrency. The SEC says crypto is a scam, that we should be worried about that industry. Dude, this is a legitimately traded stock that the SEC does not care about. It does not think there's an issue with. And all these guys do is come in and rob investors who buy their company, and then they dilute their shareholders. And you guys couldn't see any of that because I was on the wrong screen. So sorry about that. You're just going to have to take my word for it. Farmy is on the screen right there. You could see it. You just might not have seen it when I did it. Wow. Talk about thievery. Crow with Knife. Yes. CAW. Let's hope it goes up. I don't know if Dial Survivor still has it or not, but I do hope that it goes up if you guys own it. Honestly, I have not seen a token that's 1 month old and has over 15 decentralized exchange and centralized exchange listings with 25,000 holders. I'm super bullish on Pepe, and I truly believe this will go to a $500 million market cap and beyond. Oh, John, man. Dude, I mean, if it hits, think about it. If it hits, it could go to a $5 billion market cap, man. Look at Pepe, right? I don't know how Pepe stood up in like May, June of 2023. But I know that when Pepe was running in May of 2023 and getting listings on Binance and KuCoin and all of that, and reaching a $1 billion market cap on those listing days, it started off as a couple tens of thousands of dollar crypto that you could have bought on Dex Tools a couple weeks prior. So I can't even say that the beginning of May was a much different environment for crypto. We're probably stronger now than we were back in May of 2023. We got ETFs now. We got presidents talking about embracing cryptocurrency. There's a lot of good stuff going on that we did not have in May. Traders are just simply afraid right now, right? They're just simply afraid that Bitcoin is going to sell off as Mt. Gox and Germany release some of their Bitcoin. Who the heck cares, man? These whales are going to eat that stuff up. Like, I guess we're just shaking out a bunch of very nervous people at the moment. So, I don't know, man. Got to shake them out. Got to get rid of them. There's no other way around it. I love listening to talk about SHIB ripping. It's like Steelers fans talking about their Super Bowl wins. Nostalgia from the sheep. And you know what? When it rips, it will rip again. Every time Shiba Inu Coin goes up, it goes up very, very quickly and very, very, I guess, high. and then it does spend the next 6 months coming down afterwards. So the next time SHIB goes up, make sure you take your gains, guys. Isn't that the truth? Lost hopeful here. There you go, man. Tim, the anti-shiller. Everything gonna run in the bull market. And it always does, dude. Everything always does run in the bull market. If you look at 2017, if you look at 2021, when people become greedy, right now they're very afraid. They're afraid of their own shadows right now. Let's see. 36, I believe. Yeah, the fear to greed index is level of 36. It is showing fear. People are afraid to buy right now. I don't know why. They're afraid of Mt. Gox and afraid of Germany, but they're afraid to buy right now. When they become greedy or extremely greedy, everything is going to be going up. It will be dude, you'll be able to go like this. You'll be able to pick whatever you want to pick. OKB. All right. You'll be able to go, I don't know, annual, all-time graph. That's actually a nice all-time graph here. You'll be able to go boom and just see the rally taking place. This is actually done very well. OKB has done a very good job. Not bad at all, man. OKB on the daily. Dude, might be coming down to hit this trend line here too. If it does, shoot, it could be a very good purchase. OKB not looking bad at all. But you know, you're not going to see that until we start to get greedy again, especially in the little tokens. People are very afraid right now. They're not looking to buy very risky assets. So hopefully things turn around for them. Michael Allen! I have now trademarked. Excellent. 1 million honorarium for use of it. Darn it, now I owe you. Dork bro, 1 Ferrari. Fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump. Michael Allen! Mike, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Thank you very much for the fist bump. Thank you very much for opening a tab, because apparently now I owe you 2 million honorarium for saying 3 million honorarium. Darn it, man. Darn it. I'm going to dig myself into a very, very deep hole. No proof. Yeah, it's true, man. The TM is proof enough. 1 million honorarium, Moji. Thanks, man. A little bit more money on Pepe, Floki, Perp, Tonic, Bitcoin Cash. Shibazins will get screwed by the developers until they dump all the ecosystem tokens and hit them in the wallet. Yeah, dude, the ecosystem team definitely does have intentions of building up their ecosystem and not necessarily building up Shiba Inu Coin. However, man, it is nearly impossible to overlook the sheer size of the Shiba Inu Coin community. People have not abandoned SHIB, and I really, all of these tokens out there, it really doesn't matter what they're building. I don't care what Pepe is building. I don't care what Floki's building. I don't care what Shiba Inu Coin's building. People are going to go and buy what they're excited about. They're going to go and buy what they know. They're going to go and buy what they see. OKB, the crypto that I just had on the chart there, I don't even know what it is. But it's got a very nice graph, right? If I would have known what it was, there was a chance I could have bought it. But if I don't know about it, I can't buy it. Everybody knows about Shiba Inu Coin. And everybody that's entering the crypto space is going to hear about Shiba Inu Coin. So I think that it could do very well, especially during a bull market, man, when people are coming back and they say, oh, man, I remember back in 2021, Shiba Inu Coin was doing great. Maybe we could do even better from now. And they buy it because they know it, and it's just familiar to them. Tim now owes me 1 million. Dude, Michael is stacking, man. I owe him 3. Mo owes him 1. Tim owes him 1. Oh my gosh, man. The dude's just stacking right now. Size doesn't matter. If you build on a horse, you get a horse. Well, could be true with your unicorn. Market cap tells you all you need to know about SHIB. Jump in and jump out. It is predictable. Yeah, you know what? If you are a trader, right, you're going to be wanting to pay attention to the levels of support, the levels of resistance, and all of that. And one of the things that everybody always asks me is, you know, did the bull market peak? No, guys, we didn't peak, right? We're seeing a dip, sure, absolutely. But look at this. There was no peak here. There's no retail interest. There's no 4-year spike. See, this is the end of 2017. This is mid to end 2021. Same deal. 2024, 2025, we're going to see a retail spike. Look, I cannot tell you to buy, sell, whatever. I cannot tell you. And I don't know, right? You see this spike up here at the beginning of 2021? This phenomenal rally to 49, and it started to come back down. Nobody knew that it was going to rip up again afterwards. Nobody knows that. So I can't tell you what to do. But, dude, when you see retail interest spiking up again, and you see retailers getting excited about crypto, I mean, put this on the chart, man. What happened after 2017 and retail interest dropped off? Major bear market. What happened after 2021 and retail interest dropped off? Major bear market. What's going to happen after the next spike up and retail interest drops off? Major bear market. So I truly believe when you see this graph rising right here, and if it jumps up to 30, 40, 50 points, it's going to be a huge indicator that retailers are back, and they fall off very, very quick. They fall off way too quick, man. They shouldn't, but that's what leads to the cyclical nature of things. Let's see. I trademark. Psh. Oh gosh, we got a pff and a psh. Pff, ch, pff, pff, ch. You guys need to go to a beatboxing channel. Trademark it over there, and you're probably gonna make a ton of money by doing so. Michael, it's capitalized and more F's. I'm the Temu version of the trademark avoidance. I like it. Tim, man, he undercut you on that one, Michael. Brandon's a trader. Yep. Brandon's a trader. Sham! The metaverse news. Oh, geez, dude. I have not heard any metaverse news whatsoever from the Shiba Inu Coin team. Gosh, dude, in months? I've not seen anything in months. I've seen a few of your videos. Hey, this guy, very nice. Hopefully you liked him. Thank you very much for watching him. I do appreciate you. Clears me like 10 million for beatboxing. Crap, dude. No, I got you up to 10 mil. I owe dial up another 2-3 mil. You guys are gonna run me dry. I know you will. Darn it. I don't want it to happen. Come on now. What I do want to happen though is I want to see Bitcoin move higher. This has been, look at this. If you look at the daily chart, look at this. Oops. I don't even know where I moved that from. The Bitcoin has done nothing but come down. It had 1, 2, 3. I can't even count today as good. It's had 3 good days since June 5th. June 5th, everything turned. This day, this very nice day here, was quickly eaten up. And then, of course, these 2 days immediately erased yesterday. Today, it is trying, okay? I'm hoping this 4-candle bottom, boom, 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 boom. I'm hoping there's a 4-candle bottom that is in right at this $53,000, $54,000 area that we have tested 4 times now. Tested again today. So I'm hoping we do reach our bottom here and we begin to bounce back up. The major support is going to come around 50,000. But to be completely honest, man, if 50,000 is like a week-long period, 2-week-long period maybe, if 50,000 is broken, we could be coming all the way back down to 45,000. Nobody wants to see $45,000 Bitcoin. We had such a beautiful rally all throughout 2023. 2024, we're topping at 70,000. Pulling back pretty hard here. But hopefully we got ourselves a little bit of a dip. All right, we got ourselves a little bit of a dip here before we see a very, very nice rally higher. Every single time that the prices decline, they go back up. Right now, we're in a very strong market. The overall economic news is good, even though some sources are going to say it's not great. It's certainly not terrible. Interest rates will get lowered here. I don't know, in the coming months. I don't know if it'll be the next meeting or not, but interest rates will get lowered and things are going to be looking very positive for crypto in general. Hero, stay killing it, man. Can you put out the big cryptonomy video? Yeah, you know what? Clever Laugh Radio. I probably could do that, and I might be able to. I might be able to do like a walkthrough video or something on that. That is not in a. It's not like in a Shiba Inu Coin video or whatever. So I could probably try and do something like that. It is fairly straightforward and very easy to open up a staking position or a flexible staking position. So yeah, if you get any questions, man, you can always ask them in here too. But I could probably do that at some point. Just like a full dedicated cryptonomy video. Not messed about crypto in months. All my Cardano NFTs are worthless. Yeah, this guy, man. A lot of NFTs lost a lot of value. So unless you own like a Bored Ape Yacht Club or oh crap, what were those pixel ones called? Like Bored Ape, it still has value. Mutant Ape still has value. I don't know why. The Cyberpunks or something, right? The punks or whatever they were, those did very well to retain some value. But dude, unless you owned like a top tier NFT, which still lost a ton of value, yeah, a lot of NFTs basically went down to nothing. So hey, no reason to sell them if they're worthless. Hold on to them. Maybe one day they'll come back, same as the crypto market came back. Brian, thank you very much for the super chat. Brian says, I can be your hero, baby. I can kiss away the pain. I'll stand by you forever. You can take my breath away. Do you want to look at Hero? Is that what you're saying there, Brian? You want to look at Hero? We can look at Hero, man. I'll pull it up. Let's see what Hero is doing. Alright, I can be your hero, baby. Brian can take away the pain. We get 2 cents on the board right here for Hero. $20 million market cap at 2 cents. 6,000 holders. $1 million in volume. Alright. Not doing too bad. Very strong gain on launch day. But it has come down very heavy since launching there. Let's see, does it pull this guy's next up? So it actually is linked to his Twitter account, to his X account here. Yeah, I don't know who this Steve guy is, right? I don't know how he made his money in the first place. I guess he owns this Happy Dad Seltzer or whatever this is. But, yeah, man. Dude's got his coin. I started it at a terrible time, right? July 1st, man. Everything's been getting hit so stinking hard over the last couple days. It started at a horrible time. It's 6,000, basically bag holders at the moment. Because, of course, it has continued to come down and down and down. But $20 million market cap, man, is not a bad market cap in comparison to the other tokens out there. And he's got a lot of money in the liquidity pool. So you look at something like Jason Derulo. Jason Derulo's got like 500,000 in the liquidity pool. This dude's got 1.23 million in the liquidity pool. So, yeah, he's not doing as bad as I thought, even though he was doing much, much better a couple days ago when the token launched there. So yeah, I don't know where Hero's gonna go, but it's been a tough week for it. Dozer's, like Dozer's song I made, said Cosmo approves. Nice. Cosmo approves and I approve the Claybro remix, the Peach remix there, Clever Peach remix. I approve that one for sure. Baby Doge, let's pull it up. Didn't sell my Shiba, still holding. There you go. Same, Nicole. I like it. Hang in there, Nicole. Heck yeah. And all of the cryptos bounce again, and we make a ton of money as the retail interest resumes. But right now, this is annoying, man. Look at Bitcoin, dude. Oh, I'm going to go up. No. I feel safe down here at 56. I'm going to go up. No. I feel safe down. I'm going to go. No. I'm going to. No. Dude, Bitcoin is just really loving 56,200 today. Look at this, man. You get like a straight line. Tabbing it. Like a straight line at 56,200 here. Oh, I don't know why Bitcoin's got to feel so comfortable there. It doesn't make any sense. Let's see. Somebody wanted to see something. Oh, Mo's got his shill. Sorry, Mo's got his shill. You want your gains in a bear market? Get Worldcoin and Honorarium will be rocketing without you. Guaranteed, baby. Guaranteed. Yeah, you know what, Mo? I don't know what all Paul Chain is doing or when all of that's going to be integrated, but it does bring a ton of utility. So it is very likely that you see some new users and new buyers, which is exactly what you need to see in order for the price to go up. Guys, the price goes up so easily if inflows outpace outflows. That's all you got to do is find new money to put in the liquidity pool. It is literally that easy. Now, the unfortunate part is, let's say on an average coin or an average day, you find $10,000 to flow into a coin. Dude, you're probably going to have $9,000 flow out of it. People, they cannot stand to watch the price go up and simply hold. They cannot stand it, man. So you got 10,000 flowing in, you're going to have 9,000 flowing out. You got 100,000 flowing in, you're going to have 92,000 flowing out. You got $1 million flowing in, you're going to have $980,000 flowing out. Oh, dude, it would be no different than if somebody just went, like, you don't need $2 million in volume. It would be no different if somebody just went in and bought 20 grand worth and nobody sold. Think about that. There's a huge difference in 20 grand and $2 million. But they both are going to have the same effect if nobody sells versus like a normal day of inflows and outflows. The $1 million in inflows and $990,000 in outflows there. Welly's news. Dude, I don't even know if Welly's works with Shiba Inu Coin anymore. I have not seen anything on Welly's in way too long. I really don't even know if they work with Shiba Inu anymore. Does anybody know that for sure or not? I haven't seen anything posted by Welly's on X, and I really can't even remember when the last time I saw that was. I don't even know if they talked about Welly's during... remember when Satoshi was trying to sell his scented book at the ETH Toronto conference? When was that? Back in like August of last year. I don't even know if they mentioned Wellies during that awkward video on that conference. Fashion guy, John Richmond. Never heard anything about John Richmond. The game. Dude, the game, they keep teasing the game, right? They keep teasing the game, saying, well, the blockchain version is coming soon. Blockchain version, grab your NFTs right now. The blockchain version is going to be doing very well. They keep mentioning that, but I never see anything in actual development of the game. But they do mention that a lot. But as far as like actually seeing anything, haven't seen it, man. Haven't seen it. Let's see. Hero's sitting at 2.1 cents. This might not be... I mean, dude, if this is bottomed out, this might not be bad. Support. I just don't know how dedicated this kid is. You know what I mean? I don't know how dedicated this kid is. Jason, though, I'm still trying to figure it out on Jason here. Jason Derulo's 2 weeks old in the crypto space. We got this one marked up, okay? He's down here at some pretty strong support. He's down here at pretty strong support at 007 or a $7 million market cap. He's got $551,000 in the liquidity pool. And this one could rebound nicely off of these levels, knowing that this held up his pretty strong support on the initial launch. So he's holding up in the exact same area right here. It's 007, like 0065. Dude, it is attached to his X account. He's got like 3.5 million followers on there. And the dude is tweeting about it like on a daily basis, multiple times a day. You can't see it because I'm not logged in, but he's posting about it constantly throughout the day. I actually think that he could do well when the market starts to rebound. I really do. 8,000 holders during a pretty brutal bear market pullback. $6-7 million market cap. $500,000 in the liquidity pool. There's not like crazy whales out there either. I believe they owe just a couple $100,000. Yeah. So 139, 128, 101, 76,000, 68,000 gets you to the first page here. Top 100. Where does that take you? Top 100 holder with $13,000 in Jason. That's not ridiculous. Okay. Now, it is a decent portion of the overall liquidity pool. 5% or 5,000 is going to be 1%, 2% of the liquidity pool there. So you go in and you buy 10 grand worth, you top 100 holder. When you go to sell, you're going to have a 4% impact on the overall price, which is, I mean, you're going to see your candle there. But you still have to buy a decent amount. 13,000 to become top 100 holder is still a decent amount in Jason there. But dude, I don't know. This guy seems to be dedicated right now. Clearly, if he gives up, it's going to be devastating. But all of these tokens have been hit so hard over the last couple of days and weeks that I think he could see a decent rebound once tokens and coins start going up. Solana shouldn't be $138 right now, man. Solana should be about $200. So hopefully things do bounce back up. Buy your NFTs with Ethereum, like the Metaverse game. Yeah, dude. Please send me all your Ethereum, not your Shiba Inu coin. Send me all your Ethereum. Oi! Wishing all of you the best. Need advice. Where should I store my crypto? Cold wallets and a few smaller exchanges. Coinbase is getting ready to screw more people over. So, 1,000 eyes. It is completely up to you. But I store the vast majority of my crypto, like Trust Wallet, on the blockchain. Okay? You can use a cold storage wallet if you'd like. You can use hot storage, which is what they consider like, MetaMask and Trust Wallet and all that. Or you can go different exchanges if you would like, Coinbase and so on. But hold in a variety of wallets or a variety of exchanges as well. Because after watching Voyager go down, FTX go down, and all those exchanges, it doesn't matter if you're holding on an exchange. They're no safer. Matter of fact, they might be less safe. They might be riskier than holding on a cold storage wallet, because or a hot wallet. If you're holding on the blockchain, those tokens are yours forever, right? If you're holding on an exchange, if that exchange goes bankrupt, they're just going to take your tokens and say, well, you gave them to us. We were holding them for you. You're just a creditor. Now you got to worry about getting paid back. They're going to file bankruptcy and they might not owe you anything. I got to clip that beautiful rendition of Hero and post it to Steve. We go viral, baby. We go viral. Brian, man, clip it. Do whatever you want, man. Clip it if you want. It was a beautiful rendition. I know it was. We could probably post it out, and when they bring back oh crap, what were those? You know those little things that you can get like McDonald's Happy Meal that played like 15 seconds of a song, and you put it in that stupid little thing, you can play like 15 seconds of a song. Oh my gosh, what were those called? They were called like hit clips, were they? Well, anyway, when those make a comeback, we could get it on that track as well. and hit clips or whatever they were called. I completely forget the name of them. Yeah, dude, we can get it running on there as well. Sold Solana, I got Solana at 1903. I don't even look at Solana anymore. I just think about it and smile. Ooh, and I told y'all, if you listen to the old man, you're smiling too. Heck yeah, Tim. Heck yeah, man. Solana doing very well. I think the best buy that I may have seen in the live stream, I remember Kalani. Was literally buying Solana at the absolute low. I think Solana bottomed out around like $9-10 or something. And I remember Kalani talking about buying Solana at like the $9-10 area. I don't know if he held it or not, but let's see where the absolute low was. Well, this wrap chart doesn't go that far back. Yeah, I don't know. Doesn't go far back enough to see where that was, but yeah, man, I remember Kalani was buying, and he's got. Well, I don't know if he's still held or not, but he was buying at the low. That's the lowest buy that I had seen there. Man, Purple Pepe doing okay. Purple Pepe attempting some resistance again. Let's hope that bad boy can break through it. Yes, I use a Ledger wallet, not financial advice, but I got a little money on Ledger. There you go, Tim. Where we going? Made it. Chris is in the chat. Chris, glad to have you for the last minute of the chat here. Appreciate you being able to make it, especially if you clicked that like button as well. Sold $1 billion SHIB at about $100 profit to get into Solana. Old man advice right there. Yeah, dude. Anytime that you could sell a token that would have been stagnant for you, and you buy a token that 20x'd for you, I think you do not 20x, it would have been a 5x increase. 6x for you. You are doing very good, man. Hey, I've been bugged by some people to buy Zelda 2.0. Can you look at the charts? I'd like to hear your honest opinion. Dino, very, very quickly. Because we are getting ready to leave here. Zelda. Is it this one? I don't know, man. I don't know. It's obviously very low in price. Only 970 holders. $300,000 in the liquidity pool is not bad. And it is locked. Okay? Well, it's locked for a few months. It's vesting out for like 4 years. But I don't know. This... Dude, it's so hard to recover from this. It's going to take some new buyers or new marketing or something to catalyze this higher. Otherwise, it's not going higher. Okay? You need some sort of a catalyst to make that jump up from there. That's all I got to say about graphs like that. It's going to be very difficult to resuscitate it. Guys, it is 5:01. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs. We will be back tonight with more videos. Please watch them. Please like them. Please share them. All of that good stuff. You guys know that retail investors are not around right now, so I appreciate all of you for being in this chat. I appreciate all of the support that you guys always have. It's absolutely incredible, and I cannot thank you enough for it. Tim, man, have a great evening. 1,000 Eyes, see you later, man. Moji, Brian, have a great one. Tim, see you later. Daryl, 1,000 Eyes, Daryl, see you later, man. Tim, have a great one. Chris, enjoy it. Thank you very much for coming to the live stream, Chris. Tim, see you later. Dino TP, we got Moji. J-Bones, baby. Moji, community-driven videos. See you later. Pepe, yes, we talk a lot about that. $88 million market cap, not doing bad at all. This cat knows that the live stream is over. Old Rounder, glad to have you in here. Thank you very much. Tim, see you later. Dino TP, Dinesh, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me. Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.